Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to use Udemy's search filter to find the right course. Why would you want to know how to use Udemy's search filter to find the right course? Well, maybe it is your first time using Udemy and not sure how to use Udemy's search filters to find the right course. So today I am going to show you how to use Udemy's search filters to find the right course. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Using Udemy's search filter to find the right course is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. First of all, open Udemy mobile app. Now you are seeing different options at the bottom. Click on search icon. Now you can select any course from these categories or simply click on search button at the top of the screen. Now search for a course. Now click on three lines. From here, you can use these filters and find a right course for you. So there you go. If you are wondering how to use Udemy's search filters to find the right course, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.